Hi guys, welcome back to my quirky kitchen. It is the season of mangoes and I've decided to make some really easy and delicious recipes for you guys. Today's recipe is the eggless mango cheesecake. So without waiting any further, let's begin. Take some crushed biscuits in a bowl and add some melted butter to it. Mix till you get a breadcrumb-like texture. Cover a cake tin with some aluminium foil. Transfer the biscuit mixture to this tin. Press firmly till you get an even surface. Set this in the fridge for half an hour. Take some cream cheese and powdered sugar in a mixing bowl. And mix till you get a smooth mixture. Combine some corn flour and milk till you get a smooth slurry. Add cream to the cream cheese mixture. Followed by the corn flour slurry. And some lemon juice. Mix everything till you get a smooth batter. Oh my god, this batter is so delicious. I could eat it right now from the bowl just as it is. But I'll just keep it for the cheesecake. Pour the batter on top of the biscuit base. Make sure to flatten the top with the help of a spatula. And tap 3-4 times to remove any trapped air bubbles. Take one more empty cake tin and place it in a pan filled with some water. Place the cheesecake tin into the empty cake tin. Cover the pan with the lid. Turn the flame on high. And once the water starts to boil, turn the flame to low heat. Cook for 15 minutes on low flame. So now how can you tell the cheesecake is done? Simply shake the pan and the cheesecake should wobble very slightly. And there you go, your eggless cheesecake is ready. Remove the pan, cool it outside and set it in the fridge for a few hours. Once the cake is chilled, you can cut it with a sharp knife very properly and you will get really clean edges. You can top the cheesecake with freshly cut mangoes mixed with some icing sugar. I've always been a fan of baked cheesecakes, but trust me, this no bake cheesecake recipe tastes just like a baked cheesecake. And if you are a fan of baked cheesecakes too, you are definitely going to love this. Do give this a recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. And since it's the mango season, I'm going to post more such delicious and easy mango recipes for you guys. So do hit the bell icon to get more updates from my channel. And do share this recipe with your friends. And please like, share and subscribe to My Quirky Kitchen. Thank you so much. Bye bye.